What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel and another tutorial. Did you just see a login to your Google account that you don't recognize? Don't panic, you can still secure your account immediately. Because in this video, I'll show you 5 essential steps to lock down your account, enable 2FA and add recovery options so you can regain control even if you lose your phone. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is check sign-in activity. The first thing to do is to check your recent sign-ins to see if someone else accessed your account. To do so, go to myaccount.google.com. Click on Security on the left-hand menu. Now, scroll to Your Devices, then find Manage Devices and click on it. Now you will have to review all devices that are signed in. Look for any devices or locations you don't recognize. When you do, click the 3-dot menu, then sign out for any suspicious device. Pay attention to the unfamiliar cities or IPs and sign in out forces unauthorized users to re-enter your password, blocking access. Now moving on to the second step, which is change your password immediately. Make it strong, unique, and secure. And to do so, go to Security again from the myaccount.google.com website. Then head to Password, then Change Password. You'll have to enter your current password and then create a new password, at least 12 characters and mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Save it in a password manager for future reference and avoid reusing passwords from other accounts. A strong password prevents hackers from guessing your account, and if your account is already compromised, changing the password locks them out immediately. Now let's move on to the third step, which is enabling two-factor authentication. 2FA adds an extra layer of security. Even if someone knows your password, they cannot log in without the second factor. To do so, go to Security, then head to two-step verification. Then click on Get Started. Enter your Google password and choose your second step method. You have Google Prompt, which push notification to your phone, which is the best. You have Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. And you have SMS codes, less secure but still helpful. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup and test the 2FA by signing out and signing back in. Always use an Authenticator app instead of SMS for better security and keep a backup method in case your phone is lost. Next, let's add a recovery option by adding an email or phone so you can regain access if you lose your phone or forget your password. To do so, head to Security again, Ways we can verify it's you, then recovery email/phone. Add a recovery email you can access and also add a recovery phone number. Confirm ownership by verifying the code sent to your email or phone. And make sure your recovery email is secure and not shared with anyone, and keep your phone number updated if you change careers or devices. Finally, let's check which apps and devices have access to your Google account by reviewing connected apps and permission. Let's remove anything suspicious. So go to the Security again, Third-party apps with account access, then head to Manage Third-party access. Review all apps and remove any app or service you don't recognize or no longer use. Go again to Security, Your Devices, then Manage Devices. Remove devices you don't recognize and sign out of sessions on unfamiliar devices. Some apps may have full access to your Gmail. Removing them immediately prevents data leaks, and check this regularly, especially after a suspected compromise. So following these 5 steps will secure your account and give you a path to recover it safely. If this video helped you, please comment which step helped you out, like and subscribe to Tech Fake Guides for more practical step-by-step tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.